Hi guys, this is Mae-Gwyn Cosplay, and today I'll be showing you how I made my Princess Leia wig. I started off with a Leia in dark brown from Artwigs Canada. I also used some thread, some sewing needles, some hair clips, also from Artwigs Canada, some scissors, and 2 brown bun makers. So to start off, I sewed each of the wig clips into the wig where my tempos would go. And when you sew these in, you need to make sure that the wig clip will open up and catch the inside of your hair. So they need to be facing in towards the inside of your wig. Next, I took out one of the braids and smoothed it out, combed it out to get all the tangles out. So that would be ready for styling. Then I made a nice high side ponytail, making sure to keep combing all of the ends so that it's nice and smooth. Next, I put the bun over top of the ponytail. Now I'm making the hair lay over the bun. I have my wig head supported on my knees. I am splaying out all the hair around the bun so that it's nice and even. I'm gonna fasten it with a little hair elastic and bobby pin that elastic in place so it doesn't snap off. Now you split the hair into 2, the remaining hair, twirl it around. I decided to twirl it in the counterclockwise direction first, and make sure you bobby pin that in place. Pin it all over the place. Now you're going to take the second half of the hair, twirl it around, and you're going to spin it in the opposite direction. So in this case, clockwise. Again, make sure to pin like crazy. It's really helpful if your bobby pins are dark brown in color because they will blend in easier to the wig. Next, I started on the other side by combing out the hair and putting it into a nice side ponytail, trying to keep it level with the other bun that I made on the other side. Now, since there's already a bun on the other side, I had to hold the wig head in between my knees. So you put the bun maker on, and you splay out the hair like we did with the first one. Take your hair elastic, making sure that everything is nice and even all around the bun. Secure that hair in place and pin that elastic in. So just like we did with the first bun, split the hair in 2. Make sure to comb it out, make sure there's no knots, and twirl it. And for this bun, I actually went clockwise first. And then pin in place. Twirl the other half of the hair. Make sure to brush it out if there's any knots. And spin it around counterclockwise. Don't forget to pin. Once you've got your buns made, you can take some of your trusty Got2b glue freeze spray and spray those flyaways down. Make sure to smooth it out over the bun. To finish the look, I took the remaining hair, and in the video, I looped the hair over the bun, but in the end, I changed it so that the bang comes underneath the bun so that it has a much more natural look on a human face, because human faces are a little bit bigger than the wig head, and what looks natural on the wig head doesn't necessarily look natural on a human head. Once again, take that Got2b glue freeze spray and make sure to hit those flyaways. And now you're done. Enjoy your beautiful cinnamon bun wig. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'd like to thank you for watching.